Hello everyone, welcome back to Wepainthouse. The rainy season has officially started, and while we all enjoy the cool weather and fresh air, this is also the time with thousands of homeowners start facing problems they didn't notice during summer. Water starts dripping from the ceiling, damp patches appears on the wall, paint begins peeling, bathroom starts leaking, terrace collects water, and sometimes a small crack becomes a major repair expense. If you ignore these warning signs now, you could end up spending thousands of rupees on repairs after the rainy season. So in today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about waterproofing during the rainy season. We will discuss why houses leak during the rainy season, the common signs you should never ignore, how water damages your home, which waterproofing solution is suitable for each area, the best waterproofing products available, how our team at Wepainthouse solves these problems professionally, and most importantly, how you can protect your home before the damage becomes serious. So stay till the end because this information could save your home and your money. Why the rainy season is the biggest test for every house. Many homeowners think their house is perfectly fine because there are no visible leaks during summer. But the rainy season tells the real story. When rainwater continuously falls on your roof and exterior walls, every tiny crack becomes an entry point for water. Water slowly enters the structure. It doesn't happen overnight. At first, you won't even notice it. Then one day you see a small damp patch. A few weeks later, paint starts peeling. Then fungus appears. The wall starts smelling. The ceiling becomes weak, and eventually repairing the damage costs much more than preventing it. That is why waterproofing should never be delayed. What happens when you ignore waterproofing? Many people say there is only a small leak. It will stop after the rain. I will repair it next year. Unfortunately, water damage never repairs itself. It only gets worse. Ignoring waterproofing can lead to wall seepage, roof leaking, peeling paint, efflorescence or white salt deposits, mold and fungus growth, damaged electrical wiring, weak concrete, rusting steel reinforcement, wooden furniture damage, false ceiling damage, flooring damage, higher repair cost, poor indoor air quality. The longer you wait, the more expensive the repair becomes. Common signs your house needs waterproofing. Now let me show you the warning signs. If you notice even one of these, it's time to call a waterproofing experts. Damp patches on walls, paint peeling, bubbles under paint, cracks on exterior walls, water dripping from ceilings, mold growth, black spots, musty smell, water collecting on terrace, bathroom leakage, water stains near windows, leaking around pipes, rust stains, loose plaster. These are not just cosmetic issues. They are signs that water has already entered your building. Areas that need waterproofing. Let's understand where waterproofing is actually required. Terrace. The terrace receives direct rainfall throughout the season. Standing water slowly enters cracks and weakens the slab. Professional terrace waterproofing prevents the leakage for many years. Roof. Flat roofs and sloped roofs both require proper waterproof protection. Without waterproofing, rainwater eventually finds a way inside. Exterior walls. Exterior walls face heavy rain, sunlight and changing temperature. Small cracks become larger seepage problems. Exterior waterproof coatings protect the building envelope. Bathrooms. Bathrooms remain wet throughout the year. If waterproofing is missing beneath the tile, water starts leaking into adjacent rooms. Balconies. Balconies are constantly exposed to rainwater. Proper waterproofing protects the slab and prevents seepage. Water tanks. Water tanks should always be waterproof to prevent leakage and contamination. Basements. Basements require protection against groundwater pressure. Without waterproofing, water continuously enters through the walls and floors. Why does waterproofing fail? People often ask, I already did waterproofing, why is it leaking again? There are several reasons. Wrong product selection, poor surface preparation, no crack repair before application, low quality material, improper mixing, applying during wet conditions, insufficient coating thickness, no curing. Inexperienced workers, waterproofing is not just applying a coat, it is complete system. The waterproofing process followed by Wepainthouse. Now let me explain how we work. Step 1. We inspect the entire property. We identify the actual source of leakage instead of guessing. Step 2. We measure moisture levels. We inspect cracks. We check terrace slopes. We inspect drainage systems. Step 3. Surface preparation begins. Loose paint is removed. Dust is cleaned. Old coatings are removed if necessary. Step 4. Every crack is repaired using suitable crack fillers and sealants. Step 5. Primer is applied wherever it is required. Step 6. Multiple coats of waterproofing materials are applied according to manufacturer recommendation. Step 7. Proper curing and drying time is maintained. Step 8. Final inspection ensures complete protection. This professional process provides much better results than temporary patch repairs. Best waterproofing products. People often ask which waterproofing products are the best. The answer depends on the problem. For exterior wall waterproofing, premium elastomeric waterproofing coatings work best. For terrace, flexible waterproof membrane system provides excellent protection. For bathroom, cementanious waterproof coatings are commonly used beneath the tiles. For cracks, polyurethane sealants and crack fillers are highly effective. At Wepainthouse, we recommend products from trusted brands like Asian Paint, SmartCare, Berger, Dr. Fixit and other premium systems based on your property's condition. The right product is chosen only after inspection because every leakage problem is different. Can waterproofing be done during the rainy season? Yes, but timing matters. Light repairs and emergency leak control can often be done during the rainy season if the surface can be properly prepared and kept dry. However, large-scale waterproofing works usually achieve the best results when there is a suitable dry weather window. The important thing is not to ignore the problem. An inspection during the rainy season helps identify the exact source of leakage, so permanent repairs can be planned at the right time. Why choose Wepainthouse? At Wepainthouse, we do not believe in temporary fixes. We believe in finding the root cause. Our team performs detailed inspection. We use premium waterproofing materials. We follow manufacturer recommendation application methods. We maintain clean workmanship. We provide honest recommendations. Whether it's your terrace, roof, exterior walls, bathrooms, balconies or complete building, our goal is to give you long-lasting solution, not just a quick fix. Rainy season home maintenance tips. Before I end this video, here are some simple tips every homeowner should follow during the rainy season. Clean terrace drains regularly. Inspect roof cracks. Check exterior walls after every heavy rain. Repair small cracks immediately. Don't ignore damp patches. Keep bathrooms well ventilated. Move furniture slightly away from damp walls. Watch for mold or unusual smells. Schedule a professional inspection if you notice repeated leakage. These small precautions can prevent major repairs later. Finally, what I want to say is your home is one of the biggest investment you'll ever make. A little maintenance today can save your home from expensive repairs tomorrow. If you notice damp walls, roof leaks, peeling paint, terrace seepage, bathroom leakage, or any signs of water damage, do not wait until the rainy season is over. Get your property inspected as early as possible. At Wepainthouse, we are here to help you protect your home with professional waterproofing solutions, quality workmanship, and expert guidance. If you are in Hyderabad or around surrounding areas and need waterproofing paintings or complete home maintenance services, contact Wepainthouse today for a free inspection and consultation. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the Wepainthouse YouTube channel for more expert tips on painting, waterproofing, home maintenance, and renovation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, enjoy the rainy season, and take care of your home.